G'day, it's Rusty from Rusty's Outback Adventures, and welcome to part 6 of our Goodbye Camper Hello Caravan series. And in today's video, it's a little bit exciting. We're off to the weighbridge this morning to get a weight certificate for the tear weight of the van, and then we're going around to the inspection centre. So fingers crossed we get it passed, and that'll be another box ticked on our journey to getting this van ready to use as our replacement for the camper trailer. So stick around, come with us this morning, and we'll go and get this done. Turn in here for the weighbridge. This is at the recycle centre, and public weighbridge number 0229, whatever that means. We're just going to sort out what we got to do here. I'm not quite sure, so we'll just have to move up to the office in a minute. So to get the tear weight, what we need to do is drive the car and caravan onto the weighbridge, run the car forward so it's just off the bridge, wind the jockey wheel down so it's still resting on the weighbridge, so it takes the full weight of the caravan, and that then gives us the tear weight. So basically the van's empty, no water in the tanks, empty gas bottle, and basically it's just got a spare tyre on the back. So that's a pretty simple process at the weighbridge. Alright, looks like we weighed in at 1.2 tonne. It's about what I thought it was going to be, so I'm pretty happy with that. Well, that was pretty straightforward, pretty painless, getting it weighed. So we're going to take it round to the inspection centre now. Yeah, I was pretty close with my tear weight actually. I thought it'd come in around about the 1.2 mark, so that's a good thing. And the aggregate trailer mass is certified at 1,999 kilos, so it gives us a bit of room with our payload as well. Alright, let's go to the inspection centre. That's the first bit done. Well, we're here at the inspection centre, just waiting my turn. Just backed it in the yard here for them so they can do what they've got to do. We've been to the office and done the paperwork, so now it's just a case of waiting for the inspector to come out and go through the process. Hey, good news. Alright, it passed okay. Everything's all good, everything was in order, everything worked fine. Yeah, so I'm super pleased. We just got to go and get this compliance plate stamped, and then pick up some paperwork. It will be emailed to me because there's a bit of a backlog. Then we can go and actually get a license plate for it. But yeah, all good. I'm really pleased with the way it's come out, and yeah, it's one more box ticked. Well, we're back from the licensing centre. We've done all our paperwork, paid the registration, and as you can see, we got a brand new license plate on it. So I'm really pleased that we've got to this point so quickly. When I say quickly, I mean today is actually 2 months to the day since we bought the van, and in this time it's been a mad slog to get it to this point, because tomorrow I'm actually hitting the road. I'm going prospecting for 2 weeks. So let me just show you around and show you what we've actually done to the van. We'll start at the front and I'll just walk you through what we've done. Alright, starting at the front, we've got a new hitch. The drawbar, we tidied up. We've run some strengthener rails, sorry about my shadow, run some strengthener rails through it. The gas bottle is mounted at the front here. Gas has been certified. We've got the compliance plate and the gas certification there. Moving along, we'll worry about the inside in a second. Underneath, we put a new suspension system. We went to a 2-tonne axle. We put 2-tonne springs, 12-inch electric brakes. We've gone to a 6-stud 16x7 rim with 245 70R16 light truck tyres, and these are the Cooper Discover AT3s. We put new mud flaps on the back. What that did was we jacked the whole thing up 200mm, and I've had to extend the stabiliser legs. A couple of other things we've done, by the way: new gas struts on the roof. So we're 190 Newton metre gas struts originally. Now we've got 270 Newton metres, because we are going to put 3 solar panels up on the roof, and that'll be in an upcoming video. Down the back we've got spare wheel rack. We've got 2 jerry can holders, and I've got this rear facing camera as well, so the rear facing camera gives me the chance to see what's behind me. And inside we've done the full electrical system. Let me open the door here. Oh, milk crate. We've done the full electrical system in the cupboard, and we've also done the upgrade to the plumbing. We've put a second water tank in, we've new lines, new valves, and proved the water pump works, and we've put a waste outlet from the sink. So yeah, there's a fair bit of work there being done, and I'm really happy that we've almost finished it, and I'm really pleased that we've got it to this point now that I can go and use it. So that's a quick look at what we've done to the van to get it to this stage now where we've got it licensed. Few people I need to thank, and first of all Mrs. Rusty. It's been a bit of a slog for me. I've been down the shed every day, so I've probably neglected a few things around the house, but let me assure you there's a list on the fridge and it's getting longer by the day, so when I come back I'll have to get in and do some of that. The guys at Southwest Trailer Parts, very helpful people. Steve and Rob advised me on what the correct parts were to put in this van to do the upgrade, so I really appreciate their help and the support they've given me to get this project finished. Ben from Custom Lithium, a battery distributor and manufacturer in Queensland, and he's been very helpful with me asking him questions, and before we actually decided to go with his battery. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I bought everything for this van out of my own pocket, but I just like to mention those people because I've had some help along the way. And to my mate Reese, it's always good to have someone to bounce a few ideas off. We've shared a few beers in the shed over how we're going to do a few things in here, so yeah, thanks mate. I'm sure there'll be a few more beers when I get back from my trip. So if you like the video, a thumbs up would be appreciated. If there's something you don't like about the video and you give it a thumbs down, I'd appreciate you putting in the comments what it was you didn't like, because I'm always trying to learn how to make better content. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, the subscribe button is here somewhere. It'd be great to have you along. For everybody who's been following the series, the Goodbye Camper, Hello Caravan series from the start, thanks guys for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put a playlist up here so you can go back and see the whole 6 video series, and if you have any questions or comments or anything you'd like to know about what I've done, appreciate you put them in the comments below. I'll certainly answer your questions. So that's it for this video. It's been a big series. We've done a lot of work, but we're really happy with it, and like I said, we're going prospecting tomorrow for 2 weeks, so we'll give the van, we'll put it through its paces and make sure that, and I'm sure there's going to be things that I need to tweak and I'm going to have to adjust something along the way, but yeah, it's going to be good to get out there and use it and see how it goes. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Well, I hit the road on Sunday on my long-awaited prospecting trip, and today is Friday, so 5 days in. I got this head cold that's now turned into a chest infection, and it's knocked me around, so I'm on the road, I'm heading home. Unfortunately, it's not the fairy tale debut, maiden voyage for my caravan, but yeah, it is what it is. So anyway, I'm heading home, so take care and stay safe.